way down. Oh, now. You dey give me confidence, yeah.
It's generalbeats.com.
Baby, please don't make me choose between you and my goons. Mama, I will go for you. In case we end up well, ooh, and we have a beautiful baby girl, she go fight like you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on how I was able to install this beautiful lace wig, and I'm also going to be answering a question that one of you asked me about relaxing my hair, if I'm ever going to relax my hair. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. The hair I used to make this wig is from Luvin Hair company. I'm going to leave all the hair specs and everything in the description box below. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the video. I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video. So now let's just begin. Hi guys, so guys, this is the dome cap I'll be using. The hair I'll be using came through DHL, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the bundle looks like. So I used 3 bundles and a lace frontal for this wig. I'm just quickly going to show you guys how I made the wig. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to do a lace frontal wig, I'm going to link a video of that in the description box below. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and sew down my lace frontal. I like to start from the middle to one end, then start from the middle to the other end. So right here, I'm done sewing the lace frontal. I'm going to start making the wig. As you can see, I'm using a glue gun. It just makes my life so much easier, and it saves a lot of time. So I'm going to start with the first bundle. I'm going to apply the glue and then lay my weave on it, and then make sure I press it down. So right here, I've just finished one bundle. I'm going to go ahead and start with the other bundle, the second one. So right here, I'm done with the second bundle. I'll be going in with the third and the last bundle. So right here, I'm just going to put on the wig. So I'm going to show you guys how I install my lace frontal. At the same time, I'm going to talk to you guys about the question I got from one of you asking if I'm ever going to relax my hair. So let's begin. So guys, you guys can see I've made the wig already, and I've plucked the frontal. I'm just going to install the frontal. I'm trying not to go crazy with the baby hair this time. So we're going to see how that goes. So I got a question from one of you asking if I'm ever going to relax my hair. And to be honest, before you ask that question, I've never really thought about it. It has never really occurred to me. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my got to be glued gel. You know, I've been relaxed almost all my life, so I know exactly the difference between being relaxed and being natural. So when she asked me that question, I had to take a moment to think about it. As you can see, I'm spraying the got to be glued freeze spray. We all know it can be very challenging to be natural, you know. So like for instance, for relaxed hair, you can put your hair in a bun, relaxed hair, and you can keep it like that for a week. But when you have a natural hair, if you put your hair in a bun, the next day, like, I won't be able to comb my hair through. That is how, you know, rough and thick natural hair can be. So but at the end of the day, will I ever relax my hair? And like they said, never say never. But if I'm asked now if I will ever relax my hair, no, I don't actually think I I don't have any form of interest. No offense to those that are relaxed, but I don't have any form of interest to be relaxed at this point. I really cherish my natural hair. If you know how much I cherish natural hair, like seriously, I really appreciate it. And if I have a very important occasion to attend, I prefer going with my natural hair instead of wearing weave. So I really love my natural hair, and I don't think relaxing at this point is something I have in mind, or something I'll have in mind in the near future. So at this point, it's just me rocking my natural hair. So I hope I've been able to answer your question. If you guys have any interesting question, definitely ask me. I might have to make a video and talk about it in one of my videos, because it's interesting, and I'm happy that I get these questions a lot, because at times you don't ask yourself these questions, and when someone asks you this question, you just take a moment to think and just like realize that, okay, this is what I want and this is what I don't want. So guys, right here I'm gonna go ahead and lay my frontal. So now I just created the side part, and I went ahead and applied a little bit of my concealer on it. Now I'm just going to apply my olive oil heat protectant on the wig. Then I'm going to go ahead and brush. And then I'll use this hot comb to just comb the hair out. I bought this comb recently. I've not actually tried it on my natural hair, but it's really working fine for on the weave. I actually bought the comb from Amazon, and it's pretty good. And yes guys, this is the final look. So right here I just tried to do like a pigtail braid on it, and it looks really beautiful. And that's just it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. I love you guys. Bye.
DJ Boat on this one. So the future is done.